Madam, reactions of chloroform. Last class we did that. What is the basic necessity for a compound to give haloform reaction? We did examples on that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first is reaction with air. Now chloroform reacts with oxygen from air in presence of sunlight, which acts as a catalyst here to give carbonyl chloride. Along with HCl. Now this carbonyl chloride is also known as phosgene. Have you heard about phosgene?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a war gas. This was used by
Hitler.
Hitler in the Second World War.
Gas
Yes.
chamber Jews.
Yes, it's a gas chamber. Do you remember to kill the Jews? Yes.
The Israel incident one.
Yes, yes. Okay. So this was the gas used by Hitler.
मैम क्या यूज था गैस का?
Reaction of CaCl3 में यही फर्स्ट है ना?
हाँ, यही first है.
Okay, ma'am.
So now this, this has a capacity of, it's almost 10,000 times more capacity to combine with ion of hemoglobin as compared to oxygen. The oxygen, oxygen is supplied to our body by hemoglobin.
Yes,
that-
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Oxygen binds to ion of hemoglobin and it is taken throughout the body by our blood. If carbonyl chloride is there, that means if phosgene is there. Phosgene is having 10,000 times more affinity for ion as compared to oxygen. So instead of oxygen, the ion will bind with phosgene, and then the oxygen supply will be cut off to our body, and the person dies. Okay, so this was the gas used in the Second World War. But now we also know that chloroform is used. 1 minute. Admit करना.
Anesthesia.
Chloroform is used as an anesthetic. Do you all know this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anesthesia क्या होता है?
Must unconscious कर देता है.
Unconscious.
Yes, it's used for making a person unconscious. Basically, it is depressing the central nervous system. Okay, central nervous system को depress करने के लिए, before an operation, the doctor has to give anesthesia. Even it is used for kidnapping also. You must have seen it in movies and all that. Yes. Kidnapping के दौरान
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Very much.
Yeah, the kidnappers, they actually just put some of this on a handkerchief and they bring it close to the nose.
Then, ma'am,
Huh.
actually that kidnapping should be much more deadlier because before putting it in the nose, that chloroform would have already reacted with air, right?
That's what I'm coming up to that. Yeah, I'm just explaining that one. So now that means if chloroform has some phosgene, can I say it can be very dangerous?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how would the detection of phosgene be carried out? Before administration of chloroform, say if a doctor has to give anesthesia and he has to administer chloroform, before that testing has to be done for the presence of phosgene. So how would we test for the presence of phosgene?
Pass it through pyrogal solution.
Pass it through?
Pyrogal solution.
What would pyrogalol solution will absorb oxygen? No?
Yes, ma'am.
That is excess oxygen. But what if oxygen has been reacted with chloroform? Pyrogalol absorbs only excess of oxygen.
Yes, ma'am.
So how would you detect the presence of phosgene?
Test for HCl.
Sorry?
Test for HCl.
Very good. Yes. Okay. Along with phosgene, can I say the byproduct formed here is HCl?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So to this sample of chloroform, they add silver nitrate. Formation of a white precipitate of AgCl confirms the presence of HCl.
HCl.
और अगर HCl है मतलब phosgene है उसमें. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how the detection of phosgene is done by taking that sample of chloroform. They use a little amount of that sample, and to that they add silver nitrate. If white precipitate of AgCl is formed, that means phosgene is there in that sample of chloroform, and then it cannot be, that same sample cannot be used for used by the doctor. Fine. Okay. Now if phosgene is there, then that requires to be removed. Phosgene is removed by adding ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is added. Now this acts as a nucleophile. It attacks carbon, removes Cl. You'll need 2 moles of ethyl alcohol per mole of phosgene here. Again, the second mole also will go and attack carbon, remove Cl. So alcohol combines with phosgene to form a non-poisonous white precipitate of diethyl carbonate. This white precipitate is filtered off. Okay, the white precipitate is filtered off, and this is how phosgene is removed. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
And they take precautions by storing. Storage of chloroform is done in dark ambered bottles, amber colored. What is amber colored?
Brownish.
Color
Yes.
and
Miss
Dark
Brown.
brown. So dark brown bottles में store किया जाता है chloroform को. Why do they store it in dark brown bottles?
Mr. Prevent
So
sunlight.
that
prevent
sunlight
its
doesn't fall
exposure
on
to
it.
sunlight.
Yes. Okay. So sunlight will be prevented, and therefore this reaction won't be catalyzed.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
मैम ये नीचे वाला रिएक्शन टेस्ट है क्या कोई?
कौन सा? नहीं, ये तो remove phosgene. This is
अच्छा.
the removal of phosgene. हाँ, बोलो. You were asking something, Mitali.
so ma'am, as long as we have dark colored bottles, it is okay as even if the bottle is not airtight.
The bottle has to be always filled up to the brim, because air should not be entering the bottle.
Okay, ma'am.
If air enters, that means chances of phosgene formation will be there. It is going to be a slow process because sunlight is not there. Sunlight here is behaving for me as a catalyst, I said. So if sunlight is not there, then also the reaction is going to occur, but very slowly.
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, what they do is to the sample of chloroform, they always add 1% ethanol and keep. 1% ethyl alcohol is always added to chloroform, so that if any phosgene is formed, what will this ethyl alcohol do? It will combine with the phosgene to give a white precipitate, and you'll be able to see the turbidity in the bottle. So that turbidity in the bottle indicates what? That phosgene was formed.
Phosgene is there.
Yeah,
Phosgene is
phosgene
there.
was formed and it has been converted into diethyl carbonate. So always a chloroform sample will be having 1% ethyl alcohol added to it.
And ma'am, that turgid liquid again has to be filtered, right?
Yeah, turbid liquid has to be filtered out. You have finished writing this?
Yes,
1
ma'am.
minute, ma'am. Ma'am,
Tell me.
last question. Ma'am, suppose phosgene wasn't formed, but still we added 1% C2H5OH. It is still harmless, right?
1% is harmless, but then if you go increase the percentage of ethyl alcohol, can I say, then giving that to the patient will be more dangerous again. Because you're also then providing the person with ethyl alcohol, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why only 1% is added. Because alcohol cannot be given to a patient, correct? In
Yes,
fact, for
ma'am.
the medicine usage, they actually take extremely pure ethyl alcohol. Oh, sorry, they take extremely pure chloroform. That is analytical reagent. Okay. जो laboratory reagent है, it is not as pure as analytical reagent. They have to be very careful when they are going to give chloroform to a patient. Kidnappers ये सब उनको नहीं पता है, so they don't even know whether phosgene है या नहीं है उसमें. They can kill the person by giving chloroform. They don't even know how much amount is to be given. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because anesthesia is a separate branch of medicine, where these people, the doctors giving anesthesia, have to be very, very careful. Okay, and they are the most highly paid physicians. Do you know this?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am, because they are also highly skilled.
Yes. और ये kidnappers तो बस ऐसे ही use कर लेते हैं. Did you all finish writing all this?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Next is reaction with concentrated HNO3. Devika, chloroform makes us unconscious. Phosgene will make us die. We cannot take phosgene. Okay. Phosgene is very, very harmful. Okay, next is reaction with nitric acid. Concentrated nitric acid gives you what? It gives you NO2 plus. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What will NO2 plus do? Can I say this hydrogen is acidic in chloroform because of the 3 electron withdrawing chlorine?
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
So this will come out as H plus, and NO2 will attack that carbon. So you get the formation of nitrochloroform. So this is nitration of chloroform. It's an electrophilic substitution. Why electrophilic substitution?
NO2
plus.
Because substitution of
Because of substitution of
Yes. This is also known as chloropicrin. Chloropicrin, and is used as tear gas. Have you heard about tear gas?
मतलब टीयर बॉम्ब्स में ये होता है.
often.
Yes,
हाँ, यही होता है tear bombs. See, basically it is nothing but a chemical which is going to it is an irritant of the lacrimal glands. Do you know what a lacrimal gland is?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Is it an
Yes,
eye
ma'am.
gland?
Yeah, eye gland. Okay, so it irritates the eye glands and it produces tears. This is used by police to control mob. Mob को control करने के लिए police uses this. In fact, it was, I think, some time back. It was used in Delhi. वो farmers का ये था ना
Yes,
protest.
ma'am.
तब ये tear bombs use किए गए थे to disperse of the mob. Again,
Ma'am,
I think. हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, is it medically useless?
Medically it is useless. But for controlling the mobs and all, police find it very useful. Because this doesn't have any harmful effect. The only thing it does is it irritates the lacrimal glands, producing tears. Like when we cut onion, onion cut करते हैं तो क्या होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
Onion is not harmful to us, correct? Same way, this is not harmful to us, but then it is a irritant for the lacrimal glands, and so it just produces tears. So people start crying, and they have a fear कि इससे कुछ हो जाएगा हमें, and that is how they back off. Okay. No, Kunal, this is not the chemical found in onion. Onion में sulfur containing अलग compound है, not this one. In fact, few years back, it was again used in Delhi when, you know, Ramdev Baba. You'll know him, am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
He was doing, I think, some fast unto death, and because of that, I think his disciples and all, they went for a protest or something. So he was having that protest in a huge ground in Delhi somewhere, Azad Maidan, I think, if I'm not wrong. So then the police fired 3 rounds of tear gas. First round, almost 40 to 50% of the public, they backed off. Second round of the tear gas, all of the people backed off. Okay, they all had to run off. And the third round, even Ramdev Baba had to run off. Okay. So of course it is harmless, but then it does irritate your eyes. Yes, yes, the Hathras case in Delhi. True. Yes. Then also the tear bombs were fired. Okay. In fact, JEE में ये question आया है पहले that there are 100 people standing in a row, 1 to 100. Distance is 100 meters between, like first one and the 100th one. Equally spaced है. Equally spaced है मतलब every meter you find one person standing. And from one side, one end you release laughing gas. And the other end, you release tear gas.
मैम फिजिक्स में है शायद HCV में.
Okay, okay. तो यहाँ से laughing gas आया, यहाँ से tear gas. Which would be the person who will first person to laugh and cry together? The
मैम
first
डिफ्यूजन
person,
का क्वेश्चन है ना ये तो. बस बीच वाला.
each वाला नहीं होगा. Will they move with the same speed?
No,
No,
ma'am.
no,
No,
ma'am.
This is based on Graham's law of diffusion, which states what? The rate of diffusion of gas 1
Inversely
that of,
proportional to square root of the ये molar mass.
am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the molar mass of N2O and what is the molar mass of tear gas? You can calculate. Tear gas ये वाला है. I think some background. So tear gas is this one. You can calculate the molar mass of this. Laughing gas ka molar mass also you can calculate, and then accordingly the rates can be calculated. And rates में से can I say I can calculate the distance covered?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Because rate will be distance traveled upon time taken. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So this was the question given. Even JEE में था ये. JEE advanced में आया था. But actually this laughing gas doesn't produce any laughter. Huh? It is a hysterical laughter. What do you mean by hysterical laughter? Hysterical laughter क्या होता है?
We're laughing for no reason, and it's in a uncontrolled.
No, my dear. Hysterical matlab it is actually a false appearance. The person is actually not laughing. When he inhales this laughing gas, you know, jaws में gums और jaws उसके अकड़ जाते हैं, तो ऐसे दिखता है कि वो हंस रहा है. In fact, this is used by dentists when they are performing root canal वगैरह. Root canal, you all must have heard about this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So dentist log, they spray laughing gas inside. So they when they spray laughing gas, तो वो gums वगैरह dilate हो जाते हैं. Dilate मतलब थोड़े, you know what is dilation?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो dilation की वजह से he is able to see inside very easily and do his work. Okay. So laughing gas में the person is not laughing. It actually वो jaws थोड़े अकड़ जाते हैं तो ऐसे लगता है कि वो इंसान हंस रहा है. ये जो मूवी में बताया था हाउसफुल में, that was all false. Okay? A person doesn't laugh when laughing gas is sprayed. ठीक है, did you write about chloropigment?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
miss.
Kunal, I didn't understand your question. Dye means you are going to color chloroform. Chloroform can be colored by using halogens. When you pass halogens in this, the chloroform gets colored. Only bromine and iodine. Bromine imparts reddish brown color to chloroform, and iodine imparts violet color to chloroform. Okay. Next is reaction with acetone. Okay. Now in chloroform, we already know that this is an acidic hydrogen, correct?
Yes, miss.
This will give out H plus. Where will the H plus of chloroform attack?
Oxygen.
So protonation of oxygen occurs. The protonated oxygen will have what charge?
Positive.
Positive.
So pi bond will shift to oxygen. What charge will develop on carbon?
Negative.
So can I say this? Pi
Positive.
bond shift positive आएगा ना यहाँ?
Yes, ma'am.
फिर ये जो CCl3 minus है, can I say it will attack carbon?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So oxygen gets the hydrogen. Sorry. Oxygen gets the hydrogen and carbon gets the CCl3, giving you the formation of this compound which is called as chloritone. Now chloritone is used as a hypnotic. What's a hypnotic?
It is used to hypnotize somebody.
No, it is not used for hypnotizing. I'll tell you.
Sleep induction.
Yes. Okay. When a person is in the highly anxious state, anxious मतलब anxiety हो रहा है या panic attacks आ रहे हैं. So the first thing a doctor prescribes for such patients is a sedative. Sedative will try to calm down the patient, and to some extent he might feel sleepy. Okay. But if a sedative is not working on that patient who is very बोलते ना anxiety बहुत ज़्यादा है, panic attack बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, then he prescribes a higher dose of sedative, which is nothing but a hypnotic. So hypnotic is basically a central nervous system depressant. Even CNS, sedative is a central nervous system depressant, but sedative is a milder dose than a hypnotic. Hypnotic will definitely calm down the patient, 100% hoga, and he'll be put off to sleep. So this is the main constituent of sleeping pills. Sleeping pills are nothing but hypnotics.
Ma'am, Then I don't get it. Here, hypnotic is also central nervous depressing system, and chloroform is also central nervous depressing.
Yes.
But here it makes a person sleep. There it makes a person unconscious. Why?
This doesn't make a person unconscious. Sedation is wrongly said. Unconscious होने के लिए anesthesia होता है. Okay. Sedative का higher dose is nothing but hypnotic. Hypnotic का higher dose is anesthesia. और anesthesia अगर high dose में हो गया तो it results in death. These are reversible, but the last is not reversible. Okay. So sedative is actually just going to calm down the person, inducing some amount of sleep. If still this is not working, then the doctor will give hypnotic. Hypnotic is a constituent of sleeping pills. Chloroform is a sleeping pill. Okay.
Is it harmful?
Of course, it can be abused. No? Means people start developing habit to this. Habit forming hota hai. One, if it is taken by these people, one tablet, it's okay. But then some people, get taking all these sleeping pills and all, they develop suicidal tendencies and all that. So then it becomes dangerous because they consume more than one tablet. So these are all central nervous system depressants. They depress the central nervous system. This is used when the person is anxious or even when a surgery has to be done, the doctor will use an anesthesia. He won't use sedation or hypnotic. He'll go for anesthesia. Can a doctor just give a sleeping pill and perform a surgery?
No.
Because even if he's taking a sleeping pill, he say he will feel the pain. So
Yes,
he's
yes.
going to get up and he'll feel the pain. So anesthesia में that pain का जो ये है वो भी इतना depress कर दिया जाता है central nervous system को कि the nerves are actually not going to send those signals to the brain. The pain signals to the brain. Okay. Like you have CNS depressants, you also have CNS stimulants. They do the opposite thing. What a central nervous system depressant will do. They stimulate the central nervous system. All your painkillers, that is analgesic. Analgesic are called as painkillers. Painkillers are known as analgesics. So all your analgesics and your narcotics come under this category. They are all CNS stimulants. Why am I telling you all this? Because this is there in your last chapter of chemistry. That is chemistry in everyday life. You'll have a chapter named chemistry in everyday life as a last chapter of your 12th standard. Have you seen your 12th standard book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
उसमें
ma'am.
last chapter है chemistry in everyday life. उसमें they are going to teach you all this. Okay. I am only going to teach you. But since I'm teaching it here itself, I won't be taking that chapter for you. You have to do it self-study. Because I'm covering it here. Okay. So central nervous system stimulants are all your painkillers like crocin, aspirin, Disprin. नाम तो सुना ही होंगे. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Even Iodex. Iodex is also a painkiller, but Iodex is to be applied locally. But some people do eat Iodex. Okay. Have you heard about this?
No, miss.
No, ma'am.
You
Oh,
will
miss.
also eat Iodex because Iodex to some extent works as narcotics. What are narcotic drugs?
Drugs.
Drugs.
ये सारे drugs ही हैं जो मैं अभी, but you have narcotics and non-narcotic drugs. Narcotic drugs are basically
Addictive.
yes, addictive and habit forming होते हैं and people abuse these drugs. Okay. All your cocaine, morphine,
Weed.
atropine, quinine, and heroin.
Meth.
Meth is amphetamine drug. Meth का full form है amphetamine. Okay. They call it by the name, I think, meow meow drug. That is what I've heard of. नाम सुना है ये?
No,
Methamphetamine.
miss.
Methamphetamine, yes, it's sold as meow meow drug. Okay. I don't know what names they keep. So all these come under narcotics. Now, why are narcotics used? Narcotics have high medicinal values. Okay. All your narcotics are central nervous system stimulants, and they are actually all your LSDs. Have you heard about LSD?
No, ma'am.
These are life-saving drugs. Okay, LSDs are life-saving drugs. So narcotics, to some extent, they are used as life-saving drugs. When a person is like a person is dying, and doctor has tried out everything, giving electric shocks and all that, and the patient is not getting revived back. So the last option the doctor tries of is giving an atropine injection direct in the heart. Have you seen this?
Yes, must they jab it in the
It's a very long injection.
Yeah, it's a long injection and directly वो जोर से heart में दिया जाता है.
yes, must.
So to create that shock, जिसके वजह से maybe the central nervous system gets stimulated and the person is revived back. Okay, so atropine injections are given during those times. Even morphine. Morphine is actually administered to all cancer patients. Morphine is a very, very powerful painkiller. And the last stage of cancer, the pain is unbearable. The person may commit suicide because of the pain, because pain is unbearable. बहुत ज़्यादा होता है उनको pain. So that pain can be revived only by given morphine. Okay? So morphine till today is used by cancer patients so as to get rid of that pain which they have. Narcotics are definitely very powerful painkillers, and even they stimulate the central nervous system, but people do abuse these drugs. That is why these are not prescribed drugs. Okay, prescription मिलता है सिर्फ under very, very severe conditions अगर हो जाते हैं तो नहीं मिलता.
मैम ऐसे तो क्लोरोफॉर्म की भी आदत लग सकती है ना.
क्लोरोफॉर्म में तो अनकॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं. LSDs में अनकॉन्शियस नहीं होते हैं. They are central nervous system stimulants. Okay? They stimulate the central nervous system. You actually get hallucinations. You know what are hallucinations?
Yes, ma'am.
Imagining
Yes,
things
ma'am.
that aren't really there.
Yeah, actually the person sees something very different from what actually naturally नहीं देखा. Natural चीजें नहीं, उसको कुछ और ही दिखने लगता है. He is altogether in some different world, which makes him forget all his sorrows and all that जो भी है. हाँ बोलो.
पेन किलर के नीचे क्या लिखा है वो?
Analgesic. Analgesics are painkillers only.
But even ibuprofen is a painkiller, na?
Yeah, ibuprofen is a painkiller, but it is non-narcotic. Painkillers, narcotic painkillers भी होते हैं, non-narcotic. Morphine is a narcotic painkiller. But all your crocin, ibuprofen, ये सब non-narcotic painkillers. Even aspirin, Disprin, non-narcotic है. What these painkillers do, they actually increase the blood supply to that particular part where pain is there. Inflammation होता है जहाँ पर pain होता है. So that region they increase the blood supply. Blood supply बढ़ने की वजह से क्या होता है? वो pain कम हो जाता है. This morphine is widely grown in Orissa. You know opium plants? Have you heard about opium plants?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So morphine is obtained from opium plants. It comes from the opioid generation. Opioid generation means it comes from the opium plants. Opioid class बोलते हैं. You must have done, I think, in school days classification. Opioid plants होते हैं. Opioid plants में से ये opium extract किया जाता है. और opium से you get morphine actually. Morphine is there in opium only. One chemical reaction on morphine converts it into heroin. Morphine can be purchased at 400 rupees per kg, but heroin ka costing goes to 4 crore rupees per kg. So there is only one reaction which converts, a single simple reaction which converts morphine to heroin, which is acetylation, carried on by adding acetic anhydride. So morphine
reaction expensive.
चल ये चाहिए रहता है ना
reaction is very simple to perform and cost effective. Cost है ही नहीं उसका, बहुत कम cost.
तो फिर इतना क्यों different?
Because this is highly abused by people. So it is this drug cannot be sold. So there are risk factors for selling this. Am I right? The NCB बोलते हैं ना? Narcotics के.
Yes, ma'am. हाँ, NCB.
Yes.
They will not allow you to sell these drugs, na? Will they?
No.
Even morphine cannot be just sold like that.
Ma'am, it's illegal to grow the plant also.
Morphine is used in army, ma'am.
Yeah, it is used. Painkiller की तरह use करते हैं ना? Morphine is used, but heroin is only abused. It's an abused drug. Okay?
ये रिएक्शन लिखना है.
Yeah, it is there for you in chemistry and everyday life.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, I don't get just one thing.
Yeah, tell me, Mitali.
Ma'am, heroin, I understand why it is priced so high, but why is morphine available at 400 rupees per kg?
Because morphine is extensively grown in Orissa. There are many other regions of India where morphine is grown.
Yes, but slightly it should be at least 1000 rupees per kg because morphine can be very addictive. And if it's cheap enough, then it's like it can be easily bought and abused.
Yeah, it can be. Bacha, tobacco is also abused, no?
Yes.
But tobacco is so cheap, am I right? People get it so easily. Tobacco is available everywhere. But like morphine is not available easily. It has to be only prescribed by a doctor to patients such as suffering from lots of pain.
Yes, ma'am.
Structure of morphine and heroin also is there in the book, but you don't have to do their structures, so don't bother. They won't be asking you these structures.
Ma'am,
Huh.
as you said that the morphine part is very cheap and compared to the heroin, right? So ma'am, it can turn out to be a good business model also.
Yes, of course. Are you planning?
No, it just came in my mind.
Planning to get drug dealer or something?
Something like that.
All the students ask me the same question. Every batch. सारे बच्चे ये पूछते जरूर हैं कि मैम ये इतना है और ये इतने का means this can be a very good business.
It's a quick cash thing, you know.
Huh?
It's a quick money thing. Like
Yeah,
you
it's a
said that
very huge money.
acetylation is easy, you know, to perform.
Very easy. Cost is very less. 100 1 kg पे 100 rupees में हो जाता है reaction. So any plans?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. और पकड़ेगा तो मेरा नाम ले लेना फिर, ठीक है? नंदा मैम ने सिखाया था.
Yes.
मुझे फंसा लेना. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
देखो हाँ
मैम
बोल
ले
रहा है.
सकते हैं नाम?
हाँ ले
आपका?
लेना. मुझे थोड़ी पकड़ सकते हैं because IELTS से सिलेबस में था, मैंने पढ़ा दिया. मैं थोड़ी कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ा रही हूँ। हाँ, खाली कॉस्ट बताया वो गलत किया। आई शुडंट हैव टोल्ड यू द कॉस्ट। तुमको डिफरेंस जो समझ में आया कॉस्ट का कितना अलग अलग है, तो वो तुम्हारे दिमाग में बैठ गया कि दिस कैन बी डन। करेक्ट?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
वेरी गुड। तो बेसिकली मैं सीड्स को ये कर रही हूँ। हाँ,
तो मिस जिसने सिलेबस में डाला उसको पकड़ना चाहिए।
Yes, miss. The board is at fault.
board is
Yes,
not at
ma'am. The
fault.
board is
They
at
have
fault.
not
Board की
given you
गलती है.
they have not given you the cost amount. So you will just study as to different chemicals. But board will not give you that cost and what I am telling you. In fact, it is there in poppy seeds also. You know what is poppy seeds?
कॉस्ट तो मैम न्यूज में आता ही रहता है.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
we make it used for making laddus.
हाँ, खसखस खसखस सुना है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, खसखस मिठाई वगैरह में ऐड किया जाता है। और इवन टू प्रिपेयर भांग जो ठंडाई ठंडाई पीते हो कभी?
Mm.
Yes, ma'am.
शिवरात्रि में वो ठंडाई
Yes.
बनता है, तो
हाँ,
उसमें
Ah,
वो
yes, miss.
खसखस वगैरह डाला जाता है। और दे ऑल्सो हैव some people also add bhang to that, but khaskhas also is nothing but it is opium only. Okay? So to some extent it is also, of course it's a very very dilute form, but then it does खसखस अगर देखो खा के देखो तुम लोग, खाने मतलब मिठाई वगैरह में खाओगे नींद आएगी आप लोग, because it does that stimulant effect is still there in that. Okay? So large doses में वो भी avoid किया जाता है। पनीर वगैरह में भी यूज होता है। सम पनीर ग्रेवीज आर प्रिपेयर्ड यूजिंग खसखस पनीर बनाने के लिए। वैसे तो आयोडेक्स में भी होता है थोड़ा बहुत। आयोडेक्स तो आई थिंक घर घर में होता है, राइट?
Yes. Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
एंड सम पीपल डू ईट आयोडेक्स। sick people, I should say, sick people. Even this one. Okay. What about the alcohol? Alcohol acts as what? Alcohol is a CNS depressant. Huh? Alcohols are CNS depressants. They are different from CNS stimulants. You're able to hear me, no?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Alcohol also you can't drink more than 45 to 40 to 45% ethyl alcohol. That again becomes very very harmful. 40 to 45% alcohol is, I think, there in whiskey. So whiskey has maximum content of alcohol which you can drink. उससे आगे अगर अल्कोहल का परसेंटेज बढ़ जाएगा तो is going to be very harmful. 100% alcohol is called as absolute alcohol, which is purest form of ethyl alcohol. All this I'm telling you because it is there again. Okay, alcohols के chapter में आएगा ये. 95% is used as rectified spirit. Have you heard about rectified spirit?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Much less.
Rectified spirit वो wounds वगैरह clean करने के लिए होता है, and इंजेक्शन वगैरह देना होता है डॉक्टर को, तो यू नो दैट कॉटन से केमिकल डॉक्टर रब करता है।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ऑल योर स्टेरिलाइजर स्टेरिलाइज करने के लिए जो हम यूज करते हैं दैट इज आल्सो रेक्टिफाइड स्पिरिट, 95% इतना डालना है। So anyway, all these I'll be doing in the next chapter also. It is there. Okay. So let's proceed with the reactions of chloroform. I did, I think, 3. Yeah. So now the fourth one. Carbylamine reaction. primary amines react with chloroform in presence of alcoholic KOH. To give a highly foul smelling compound, which is called as alkyl isocyanide. This alkyl isocyanide has highly unpleasant odor. Okay? You just can't smell it. It is that bad. It is worse than ammonia also.
Ma'am, where is it used?
Isocyanides are used again to, you have certain medicines prepared from here, isocyanides. And even some, I think, dyes were prepared. You know what a dye is?
Yes, ma'am.
Hair dyes.
Coloring matter. नहीं, hair dye में नहीं होता है. It is actually an intermediate for preparing. Intermediate means इस पे reactions किए जाते हैं further, and then they prepare. So we'll see the mechanism of this reaction. You're having chloroform, and to this you're adding alcoholic KOH. What is alcoholic KOH used for?
Dehydrohalogenation.
Very good. Dehydrohalogenation. So can I say H plus or Cl minus जाएगा?
Yes, ma'am.
H plus जाएगा तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कार्बन पे रह जाएंगे, और ये Cl minus जाएगा तो इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके जाएगा. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the intermediate which you are going to get. इसका नाम बताओ. This is dichlorocarbon.
Dichlorocarbon.
Carbene.
Is carbene an electrophile or a nucleophile?
Nucleophile.
It will donate electrons.
Accept it.
It's an electrophile. Octet देखो carbon का. How many electrons surrounding carbon?
6.
Already कम है 8 से. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And
Yes,
you think वो
ma'am.
देगा? कैसे दे सकता है वो? Octet incomplete है carbon का. It needs electrons, so it's an electrophile. Now where would the electrophile attack? Lone pair of nitrogen. So nitrogen will donate the electron pair. Give me the formal charge.
Carbon negative. Hydrogen positive.
Yes. Okay. So nitrogen develops a positive charge and carbon a negative charge. Positive will be stable on hydrogen or nitrogen.
Hydrogen.
So H will come out as H plus, giving this electron pair to nitrogen. Negative will be stable on carbon or chlorine. So Cl minus from here will come out. तो यहाँ से H plus और यहाँ से Cl minus. मतलब क्या निकल रहा है बाहर?
HCl.
That HCl will combine with KOH to form KCl and water. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
So HCl, which is going to be given out here, will combine with KOH to form KCl and water. Now nitrogen has got back the lone pair once H plus leaves, and Cl minus has left. So now carbon has now one chlorine and one lone pair. Is carbon stable?
No.
Can I say it is still a carbene?
Yes, ma'am.
Octet incomplete है. तो ये nitrogen अपना lone pair share करेगा. Give me the formal charge now.
Nitrogen positive.
One nitrogen.
Negative.
You tell me the next step again.
Cl minus and H
HCl.
will leave.
Is carbene stable?
No.
No.
Stella carbene?
Yes, ma'am.
This is isocyanide. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
मैम ये ट्रिपलेट कार्बीन है ना?
Singlet है.
ओके मैम.
क्योंकि H अपने लोन पेयर देके गया है ना, तो लोन पेयर है इसमें.
यस मैम.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
I mean alkyl isocyanide, isn't there a covalent coordinate covalent bond?
Yeah, one bond is a coordinate bond from nitrogen to carbon.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Now this reaction is given only by primary amines. Can a secondary or tertiary amine undergo this carbylamine reaction?
No.
Secondary amine ये होता है. This is secondary amine. Tertiary में ये H की जगह R होगा. Can they show carbylamine reaction?
No, ma'am.
हाँ, why no?
H plus and Cl minus have to leave 2 steps.
हाँ, and how many times they have to leave?
2.
2 times.
Then only isocyanide formation will occur, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why this can be used to distinguish a primary amine from secondary and tertiary amines. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So after you complete this, just you have to write that statement. Just first complete this mechanism. Did you all finish? All of you are done, no? With this?
Done.
Okay, write down. Carbylamine reaction can be used. Carbylamine reaction can be used to distinguish carbylamine reaction can be used to distinguish a primary amine from a secondary and tertiary amine. Can be used to distinguish a primary amine from a secondary and tertiary amine. Primary
Can
amines
you
are
repeat?
carbylamine reaction can be used to distinguish a primary amine from a secondary and tertiary amine. A primary amine would give primary amine would give a highly unpleasant odor. A primary amine would give a highly unpleasant odor when treated with chloroform and alcoholic KOH. A primary amine would give a highly unpleasant odor when treated with chloroform and alcoholic KOH.
Miss, when treated with?
Chloroform and alcoholic KOH. Saryan, I don't know. I don't think December तक तो कुछ college चालू होगा. I'm not, because आप लोगों का vaccination नहीं हुआ है ना. So till I think your vaccination is
मिस
not
तो
done.
न्यूज में बता रहे थे
क्या बोल रहे थे?
4th October.
कॉलेज शुरू होने वाला है जैसे. But then it's actually very dangerous ना, because तुम लोगों का वैक्सीन नहीं हुआ है ना.
वही तो मैम,
क्या?
मतलब हमारा वैक्सीन नहीं होना.
You all are still under 18 ना.
यस मैम.
हाँ तो वैक्सीन होने एक दो का हो गया होगा, दो चार लोगों का 18. But I think most of you will be, I think 17 के आसपास.
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम. यस मैम.
हाँ, क्योंकि 18 के बाद you can take your vaccine. 18 those who have completed can start. Have you applied for vaccination?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get it?
Today only.
Achha, today you're going to have the first dose?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. You're going for Covaxin or Covishield?
Covishield.
Okay. When you're taking Covishield, you have to take your medicine painkiller immediately. Huh? Don't wait for fever aane ke liye. So,
Okay, ma'am.
I think they give you Dolo.
यस मैम.
Yes.
तो डोलो ले ही लेना. घर आके इमीडिएटली कुछ खा के डोलो ले लेना. फाइन. डोंट
ma'am.
वेट फॉर कि हाँ पेन होगा या बुखार आएगा तो लूंगा, क्योंकि 100% होगा अगर तुम नहीं लोगे डोलो तो यू विल बी ट्रबल्ड. फाइन. डोलो ले लेना
Okay, ma'am.
आके घर पे, और रात को भी सोने के पहले एक डोज और ले लेना उसका. यू वोंट गेट फीवर देन. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज
Ma'am?
डन. हाँ बोलो.
मैम आप रिपीट कर सकते हो सेकेंडरी और
सेकेंडरी टर्शरी अमाइंस डोंट गिव ना, बिकॉज उसमें H नहीं होगा ना, तो 2 बार H को निकलना है ना.
हाँ मैम. ओके.
Next is Remer-Tiemann reaction. Mark this as a very, very important reaction. Almost every second, third year, I see this reaction in the paper. Okay. Mark it as a very, very important reaction. This is a reaction of phenol with chloroform and alcoholic KOH. To give you the formation of this compound along with ACl and H2. Give me the name of this compound.
Hydroxybenzaldehyde.
Peroxy.
Hydroxybenzaldehyde.
Peroxy group कहाँ है?
Hydroxy.
Benzaldehyde.
हाँ, hydroxy. Orthohydroxy, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
also known as salicylaldehyde. And do you have the mechanism of this? Rima timer. You take chloroform and alcoholic KOH. Tell me first step में क्या होगा?
Dehydrogenation.
Very good. And what will be the
H2
intermediate?
निकलेगा hydrocation.
हाँ. तो इसमें intermediate कौन सा बनेगा?
बताएं.
RB.
Dichlorocarbene. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we know dichlorocarbene is an electrophile. You also have phenol here. And you are having the medium to be basic. Can I say phenol will give away its H plus because it is a acidic compound?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So after it gives away H plus, what charge will come on oxygen?
Negative.
Negative.
It is what directing group? Where should the electrophile attack?
Para.
Orthopara.
Ortho para. यहाँ पे ortho major आता है because ortho is stabilized by what am I showing here ऊपर?
Hydrogen
Bonding.
bonding.
Ortho major होता है. Para भी बनता है but less. तो जैसे ही इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर ऑर्थो पे जाएगा, the carbene will go and attack there. इस कार्बन पे एक हाइड्रोजन भी है, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the charge on this carbon.
Negative.
So water will give what to
H
carbon?
plus.
H plus. Till here the mechanism is understood.
मैम आपने वहां पे फर्स्ट स्टेप में वो एरो क्यों डाला है CCl2 को?
Oh, I should have done that.
हाँ यस मैम.
CCl2 will attack there. No?
यस मैम.
So this is CHCl2 because water ने अपना H plus दे दिया यहाँ पर. अब इसका tautomerism होगा. Tautomerism में can I say keto will change into?
Ketone.
तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर यहाँ शिफ्ट होगा, डबल बॉन्ड अंदर बनेगा, बेंजीन बनेगा, ये यहाँ शिफ्ट होगा, तो यहाँ पे चार्ज क्या आ जाएगा?
Negative.
तो H has to migrate there. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
पर इसमें H माइग्रेट नहीं करेगा क्योंकि अगर वो वहां गया भी तो कैन आई से वो फिर से निकल जाएगा बिकॉज मीडियम अभी भी बेसिक है. Am I right?
Yes,
बेसिक
ma'am.
मीडियम में इट नॉट स्टे एज फिनॉक्साइड ओनली, नॉट एज फिनॉल. तो H अगर गया भी तो इमीडिएटली निकल जाएगा बाहर. So this is what you get. Now KOH will replace both these fluorine atoms. तो अब यहाँ पर होगा nucleophilic substitution. Both the Cl get replaced by OH. Is it unstable?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
यस मैम.
Can I say dehydration होगा?
यस मैम.
Dehydration हो गया, कौन सा functional group बनेगा?
Aldehyde.
If you want H here, you have to add a strong acid at the end of the reaction. Add any strong acid at the end of the reaction, you'll get the phenol.
That strong acid won't react with the alcohol.
No. Just copy it.
मैम ये HCl कहाँ से आया?
सॉरी,
HCl कहाँ से आया?
HCl लास्ट में ऐड किया।
ओके मैम।
मैम बट मीडियम
मैम
अभी
के
भी बेसिक है ना, तो फिर हम लोग, आपने बोला फिनॉल नहीं रह सकता।
What you said?
Ma'am, you said that it's if it's a basic medium, then phenol can't be there. So,
No, because phenol will stay as its salt, ना potassium salt.
ma'am, तो end में कैसे आ गया फिर?
एंड में हमने HCl ऐड किया है ना, तो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड ऐड करोगे तो फिनॉल को अपना H+ वापस लेना पड़ेगा कि नहीं?
हाँ मैम।
ये देखो, this is a weak acid. Am I
Yes,
right?
yes ma'am.
With this, if I add a strong acid, what happens? Sorry. What happens when strong acid is added to a weak acid?
Backward reaction.
This will have to take back the H+. Am I right?
Yes ma'am.
Common ion effect बोलते हैं इसको, क्योंकि a weak acid cannot give H+ when strong acid is there. Am I right?
Yes ma'am.
So here also phenol is a weaker acid than HCl. तो phenol को अपना H+ जो दे दिया था उसमें वापस लेना पड़ेगा जब तुम strong acid ऐड करो।
Okay ma'am, understood.
मैम इधर KOH अल्कोहलिक होगा क्या?
अल्कोहलिक है बट वाटर भी बन रहा है। डू यू लाइक इट? फर्स्ट स्टेप में ही देखो, जब
यस मैम।
OH- इसका और H+ जो था, वाटर बना था ना, वाटर बन भी रहा है ना, देखो बाय प्रोडक्ट।
यस मैम।
तो उसके प्रेजेंस में ये जो Cl है वो रिप्लेस हो जाएगा OH से। Did you all finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Now, if the ortho positions are blocked, block means something. If I have like this, and then if you add chloroform and alcoholic KOH, then what product is expected here? In this case, you will get para product. In fact, only para will be formed here because the ortho positions are blocked. फ्यूरान पे अगर किया क्लोरोफॉर्म और अल्कोहलिक KOH ऐड करके, तो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल कहां पर अटैक करता है फ्यूरान?
मैम ऑक्सीजन पे।
नहीं, ऑक्सीजन का तो लोन पे रेजोनेंस में है ना।
दूसरा वाला है ना?
एकदम
नहीं, दूसरे वाले पे फिर +2 चार्ज आ जाएगा उसका।
हाँ मैम, ओके।
हम राइट और लेफ्ट पे बीच।
हाँ, कैन आई से दीस पोजीशंस?
यस मैम।
I made you right, you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
फ्यूरान हो या पायरोल हो या थायोफिन हो, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल यहाँ पर अटैक करता है। So you get this. This is known as furan. This is known as furfuran.
Ma'am, what you have written over in the next this reaction?
This is furan, no? Reacting with chloroform alcoholic KOH giving you furfuran.
Okay, ma'am.
Write down deactivated rings do not undergo Reamer timing. Deactivated rings do not undergo Reamer timing reaction. Deactivated मतलब क्या?
Meta directing.
minus that.
No meta directing.
जो रिंग पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी कम है एरोमेटिक सिस्टम, they do not undergo Reamer timing.
Could you please repeat the
Will
statement?
pyridine show Reamer timing?
No.
Is it activated or deactivated?
Deactivated.
Explain me how.
It doesn't participate then.
Can I say lone pair is not going to participate here in resonance?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And nitrogen का कौन सा effect आएगा फिर benzene पे? Minus I effect.
Minus
Minus
I.
I.
So this shows only minus I effect. In other words, it is going to withdraw the electron density by inductive effect. So this is a deactivating ring. Deactivated में नहीं होता है.
आप वो sentence repeat करोगे?
Deactivated aromatic systems do not undergo Reamer-Tiemann reaction. Deactivated aromatic systems do not undergo Reamer-Tiemann. Deactivated aromatic systems do not undergo Reamer-Tiemann reaction. इसमें क्या होगा? Will it occur Reamer-Tiemann?
Yes.
Yes.
Reamer-Tiemann will occur.
Yes, ma'am.
So what product is expected here?
Ortho पे CHO.
ध्यान कहाँ है? This will not undergo Reamer-Tiemann. It will undergo what reaction? अभी किया था मैंने कार्बोलामाइन. लिखवाया भी था कि कौन सा रिएक्शन होता है, मतलब का प्राइमरी अमाइंस पे होता है. लिखवाया था नहीं लिखवाया था?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to understand कि कैसे हो रहा है. इसमें नाइट्रोजन पे ही अटैक होता है डायरेक्टली. This is a Lewis base. तो जो कार्बिन है वो इसी पे अटैक करता है डायरेक्ट. You are finished?
1 minute.
मैम आप वो वर्ड जरा स्क्रीन पे लिख सकते हो जो आपने वो स्टेटमेंट में दिया था, वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा अभी भी।
Deactivated.
नहीं मैम वो नहीं, वो लास्ट के 2-3 वर्ड्स।
कौन से? ये पूरा ना, ये वाला ही सेंटेंस ना?
हाँ मैम ये वाली सेंटेंस, उसके लास्ट के 2-3 वर्ड्स।
Ma'am, the reaction name.
ठीक है।
थैंक यू मैम।
Did you all finish?
Done, ma'am.
Give me the reaction with aqueous KOH.
Same thing.
हाँ, और क्या रिप्लेस हो जाएगा? अरे I wrote carbon tetrahedride.
मैम Cl नहीं आएगा ना?
What will happen here? Can I say this? This will be unstable.
Yes, ma'am.
Unstable होगा तो क्या प्रोडक्ट आएगा? Give me the product.
हम कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड.
Your acid.
Can I say carboxylic acid जैसे ही बनेगा, मीडियम में KOH है?
Yes, ma'am.
एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन.
तो एसिड बेस रिएक्शन होके फाइनल प्रोडक्ट क्या है? पोटेशियम सॉल्ट ऑफ फॉर्मिक एसिड, पोटेशियम फॉर्मेट.
मैम ये सब रिएक्शंस पे कैसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे एग्जाम में?
डायरेक्ट आ जाते हैं when this is treated with this. या तो फिर जैसे रीमाटाइमिन दिया है, रीमाटाइमिन देने के बाद उसके ऊपर कुछ और रिएक्शन बताया जाएगा, तो 2-3 रिएक्शन क्लब करके भी दे सकते हैं.
ओके मैम.
हम अल्काइल हैलाइड्स का बुकलेट स्टार्ट करें.
What you're saying?
अल्काइल हैलाइड का बुकलेट स्टार्ट करें.
Alkyl and aryl halides booklet you'll have, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you started solving it?
No, ma'am.
So you please solve it by Monday. I was going to talk about this at the end of the lecture.
मैम आप aromatic का exercise 2 डिस्कस कर सकते हो.
मैंने करवाया था ना, कुछ नहीं करवाया था.
मैम 1 ही डिस्कस हुआ अभी तक.
मैम 1 का भी आपने रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं भेजा है शायद से.
हाँ मैम प्लीज रिकॉर्डिंग.
तो रिकॉर्डिंग मैंने किया था या नहीं किया था, वो एक बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क है, क्योंकि मुझे
किया है
नहीं
मैम
पता.
आपने.
अब कौन से डेट को था वो, मुझे भी वो भी याद.
मैम शायद से 28 सितंबर को था.
मैम एक सेकंड.
मैम अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो आप किसी और बैच का भेज सकते हैं हम लोग को देखने के लिए.
किसी और बैच का?
हाँ मैम चलेगा अगर नहीं है तो.
ठीक है, I'll just find it out.
यस मैम प्लीज.
अगस्त 28 को डिस्कस किया था.
You send me the date, Ria. You send me it on the group. चलेगा.
ओके मैम.
Otherwise I'll forget. because इसके बाद immediately I have another class. Okay, reaction with aqueous KOH हो गया.
Ma'am, how many reactions are there?
बस अभी last reaction है chloroform. Next is reaction with silver powder. Now, 2 molecules of chloroform will react with 6 atoms of silver to give you the formation of acetylene and AgCl.
PPT ना.
हाँ, AgCl का तो PPT आ रहा है. अब इसमें होता क्या है? मेटल ऐड कर रहे हो तो मेटल क्या करेगा?
Give electron.
हाँ. I don't know about the PTM. Have they informed you about the PTM?
Which PTM, ma'am?
I don't know, Mana. Manas is asking me about PTM. सिल्वर 3 सिल्वर इसके पास जाएंगे और 3 उसके पास. तो कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स देगा? Can I say each silver will give one electron?
Yes, ma'am.
So carbon is going to get how many electrons?
3.
And these 3 Cl
Three,
minus
three.
3 Cl minus come out. तो ये तीनों Cl minus निकलेंगे. Will they combine with Ag plus हो जाएगा ना ये?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
With 3 Ag plus to give you 3 AgCl. Same thing will happen on the other side. So can I say now this carbon will have 3 electrons
Yes, ma'am.
from silver, and the other carbon will also have 3 electrons from silver.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these will then combine to give what?
Triple bond.
And you'll get acetylene. You all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this completes chloroform. Now the last part is aryl halides. I have, I think, कितना बजा है?
9,
9, 10.
हाँ, I
15
have
मिनट.
20 minutes में आराम से हो जाएगा. So I'm completing the chapter today.
मंडे तक कितना कंप्लीट करना है अराइल अल्काइल
पूरा
हाइड्राइड्स का?
पूरा पूरा.
4 एक्सरसाइजेस है.
Acha, you know that you're going through now 3 different tracks of chemistry.
हाँ मैम, हम लोग को VDCH सर का भी ग्रुप बनवाया है.
हाँ, तो अब you can imagine what is going to happen in another 2 months.
Regret.
You have to work hard now. Increase your study time now. I don't want any backlog to be created for your 12th standard syllabus. I think I've spoken to you about this already. Can I? 12th standard syllabus, no backlogs, please. Because this is almost 60% of your mains also, JEE mains and JEE advanced. So no backlogs here. 11th का जो भी backlog है फिलहाल अभी छोड़ दो. 12th, nothing, no backlogs to be created for any subject, whether it is chemistry, physics or maths. This is your first chapter of 12th in organic, so no backlogs from now onwards. Fine, because next week I'm going to start with alcohols. Alcohols भी 3 lectures में हो जाएगा मेरा. पुराना कुछ भी है अगर ऑर्गेनिक का फिलहाल अभी छोड़ दो. Start with this chapter. Or did you all finish writing this?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have these chapters even for your board exams. Okay, so you cannot take any risk here. Even coordination compounds जो भी सर दे रहे हैं, homework start with that. ठीक है? Coordination is also there for your 12th and it is a very important chapter. Aryl halides means aromatic halide. Here, the halogen will be directly bonded to the aromatic system. बेंजीन में अगर क्लोरीन ऐड करना है तो व्हाट शुड आई ऐड हियर? इसके प्रेजेंस
AlCl3.
यस AlCl3 और FeCl3 Fe भी यूज कर सकते हो, जिंक क्लोराइड भी यूज कर सकते हो, एनी लुइस एसिड यू कैन यूज. This we have already done halogenation. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There is one more method. This is written.
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Second method is Sandmeyer reaction. This is again very important. Mark it as important. Sandmeyer. Here you start with benzene diazonium salt. Have I done benzene diazonium salt?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
This is benzene diazonium salt. To this you add copper chloride and HCl. This gives you chlorobenzene with the liberation of N2. If you use copper bromide and HBr, then what you will get? Bromobenzene. You can prepare chlorobenzene and bromobenzene via Sandmeyer. It's a nucleophilic substitution. ये N2 निकल जाएगा और उसकी जगह Cl माइनस आएगा. Either Br माइनस आएगा. Fluorobenzene and iodobenzene cannot be prepared using Sandmeyer. अच्छा हाँ और मेथड्स हैं फ्लोरो और इसका भी है. ये लिख लिया.
Miss, can you please show the previous page?
Yeah, this is done.
Yeah, yes. Yes, ma'am.
मैम इसका मैकेनिज्म आप दिखाओगे?
SN है ना, SN रिएक्शन है.
ओके मैम.
This is done.
1 second, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, all of you are done. I think Sanvi and you all also wanted this page. Harshita. Next is Gattermann reaction. This is not Gattermann aldehyde. This is simply Gattermann reaction. The only difference between Sandmeyer and Gattermann is here also you need to use the diazonium salt. Instead of copper chloride, he used copper. That is the only difference. तो खाली कॉपर क्लोराइड की जगह कॉपर यूज किया. Iodobenzene is also prepared using diazonium salt. Just add Ki. You'll
Why
get
only chlorine and bromine react? Why not iodine and bromine?
नहीं, कॉपर के साथ आयोडीन का CuI is not stable compound.
Okay, मैम. पर गैटर मैन भी क्यों कर सकते हैं?
किसमें?
गैटर मैन में वहाँ पे CuX नहीं.
You are saying I minus?
Yes.
I minus is not that strong nucleophile that मतलब उसमें जो HI जो होता है ना, HI doesn't actually, नहीं copper, नहीं, please repeat what you said. You are saying using copper and HI.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें actually copper electrons देता है, और जब copper electrons देगा तब जाके फिर वो इसका mechanism actually अलग है. This I was going to do in amines, but since you have asked me. एक सेकेंड, HBr या HCl है? रुको, ये तो उलमैन का है मैकेनिज्म. नहीं, दिस इज उलमैन मैकेनिज्म, सॉरी. इसमें सिंपली न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन ही हो रहा है. हाँ, उलमैन में होता है ये जो मैं कर रही हूँ. इसमें न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन में खाली Cl minus is going to replace that N2. Now your question is why is not HI doing this? No?
Yes, ma'am.
I minus is not that a strong nucleophile, I think, which doesn't replace N2 easily.
Okay, ma'am.
That is why it I think happens. Because HI का और KI का reactivity थोड़ा अलग है. HI का और KI का. I think he could have done ना Gatterman. जैसे तो होना चाहिए. HI के साथ भी. HI के साथ भी I think it should happen. अगर KI से हो रहा है तो HI से भी होना चाहिए. I'll just find out about this. Fine. I'll just read through this in my book and I'll just let you know.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, there can be more ways to prepare iodobenzene or only Ki can be used so far?
Ki या NaI वगैरह use होता है. Alkali metal iodide. So I'll just tell you why HI cannot be used here. Fine. I'll just read in my book.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Because copper का जो electrons का है वो इसमें होता है, उलमैन में होता है. Okay. Okay, now this is written. Ki का लिख लिया है. Okay. Fluorobenzene के लिए you use.
Ki वाला भी substitution ही है ना?
हाँ, substitution है. Fluorobenzene के लिए ये use करते हैं. Fluorobenzene के लिए. Bal-Schiemann reaction. Bal-Schiemann reaction में भी डाइजोनियम ही लेते हैं. And okay, I got it. HI is a reducing agent. Have I told you this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It will reduce that iodobenzene back to benzene. I have read about this. Okay.
Okay.
HI is a reducing agent. So if you use HI here, that iodobenzene जो बन रहा है, it will be reduced back to benzene. So you can just write it down. I recollect. Okay. Bal-Schiemann reaction. Here you use HbF4. HbF4 is called as fluoroboric acid. Fluoroboric acid. This gives you fluorobenzene and so these were the preparation methods for halobenzene. What type of reactions would halobenzene undergo? Chalo, let's finish fast. I have only 8 minutes more. Reactions of halobenzene.
Addition.
Addition.
Substitution.
Okay, which type of substitution?
Electrophilic.
Okay. So first is you can write down electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution can also be written as ES. Have I told you that? Electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophilic aromatic substitution. So you can write it as SC or ES. I'll be doing the reaction on the next slide. Or did you all finish writing this?
Wait, ma'am. Done.
So just complete this. You know what is nitrogen mixture, correct?
Yes.
This is sulfonation. This is halogenation. This is Friedel-Crafts. Last one is also Friedel-Crafts.
CL की जगह कुछ दूसरा नहीं ले सकते हैं क्योंकि
हाँ ले सकते हो
क्योंकि वरना पता नहीं चलेगा ना उसने रिप्लेस किया है।
CL को नहीं रिप्लेस करेगा, ये तो ऑर्थो पैरा डायरेक्टली हो जाएगा ना।
यस मैम।
तो ये सारे जो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स यहाँ बनने वाले हैं वो ऑर्थो पैरा पे आएंगे, am I right?
यस मैम।
जैसे यहाँ पर can I say I'll get ऑर्थो नाइट्रोक्लोरोबेंजीन एंड पैरा नाइट्रो।
यस।
और इसके लिए हमेशा मेजर पैरा होता है। और also major will be para one. इसमें भी मेजर पैरा होगा।
Ma'am, what was the name of the third reaction again?
Which one?
That yes, ma'am.
This is halogenation.
Okay, ma'am. And the last two are Friedel-Crafts.
Yeah, first one is इसमें last one है, second last is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and the last one is Friedel-Crafts acylation.
सब में पैरा के मेजर है।
हाँ सब में पैरा। इसका हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग नहीं हो सकता ना क्लोरीन।
ओके मैम।
तो स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस की वजह से मेजर पैरा ही होगा।
मैम ये सारे रिएक्शंस हो गए हमारे।
हाँ पहले कर लिए ना मैंने सारे।
यस यस मैम। ये एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन से भी है ना सब?
हाँ एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स में ही किया था ना मैंने। इनफैक्ट आई हैव डन इट आई थिंक रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म में किया।
मैम फर्स्ट का नाम क्या है?
किसका?
फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड वन।
फर्स्ट वन इज नाइट्रेशन, सेकंड वन इज सल्फोनेशन। I will finish.
Ma'am, 1 second.
So बाकी reactions are taken in the next class only. So next class I think 15 minutes I'll be completing this. Fine. 15 मिनट लगेंगे और I can't extend now. So बाकी reactions I'll take it in the next lecture. I'm done with almost 95% of the chapter, more than 95%. So you all can solve it.
Done, ma'am.
ठीक है. Now I'm not taking because और 15 मिनट कम से कम. And 9:45 I have another class. A summary of reaction mechanism. नहीं, I have asked you all to make ना Manan. I don't have summary. Okay, have you finished all of you writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चा मनन I don't actually I just मैं अपने माइंड से पढ़ाती रहती हूँ, तो ऐसे मेरे पास कुछ लिखा हुआ कुछ भी नहीं है.
मैम TWT के एक्सरसाइज और नोट.
अच्छा, TWT आपका बाकी है अभी, एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स का डिस्कशन ना.
हाँ मैम.
हाँ, तो अभी नेक्स्ट वीक में देखते हैं डाउट क्लास अगर सर रखते हैं. अदरवाइज लेक्चर को डाउट क्लास में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा मुझे, क्योंकि मेरा भी शेड्यूल कंप्लीटली पैक्ड है फुल.
चलेगा मैम.
ठीक है, I'll do that. Otherwise I'll take, देखूंगी, I'll take one extra lecture. Okay.
ओके मैम.
By I think evenings में अलग फ्री ना.
यस मैम.
तो कोई भी इवनिंग में I'll take. ठीक है. I'll tell you in the next class. But by next class complete this booklet also. Fine.
यस.
Yes.
चलो, bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. You are saying something? Okay.